Can we get modes in Minecraft Bedrock Switch, Nintendo? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring if it's possible to get modes in Minecraft Bedrock Edition on the Nintendo Switch. Can you actually add modes or there are limitations? Let's find out. If you are looking to customize the Minecraft on your Switch, here's what you can do. Start by opening Minecraft and heading to Marketplace tab. In the Marketplace, you can browse various add-ons including the skin packs, worlds, and texture packs. These items can add new experiences to your game, but it's important to remember that these aren't traditional mods, they are official add-ons. To access these, you will need Minecoins. The reason we are talking about Marketplace is that, as of now, it's the only way by which we can customize Minecraft on the Switch. Nintendo does not offer third-party mods for Minecraft on its platform, so manually adding mods, it's not possible. So if you are on a Nintendo Switch, the Marketplace is your go-to for the Minecraft add-ons. Hopefully this clears up any confusion. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more quick gaming tips. Thank you for watching.